Hello everyone, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to have a look at a database migration tool known as SQLines Online Query Converter. So let us have a look at what database migration means. So database migration means changing the database and its dependencies. So in order to simply define what database migration is, we can even say that switching from one database to another database and then changing the corresponding code is known as database migration. So whenever we are going to migrate the database, three things come into the picture. The first thing is the database objects, DB objects, then the queries, and third is the code for backend. So whenever we are going to migrate the database, then we are going to have to change the code related to the database objects, the queries, as well as the code for the backend. So manually doing all these tasks is kind of cumbersome and it is like exhausting, because you again need to be very fluent in, or you need to be very comfortable and competent in the SQL flavor of the other database. So as we all of us know that SQL happens to be the universal standard for interacting with the relational database management systems. That is, if you are going to access the relational database management system as an end user or through some sort of higher level programming language like C, C++ or Python, then you have to use SQL. But we also know that just like English language, SQL also has got many dialects. So whenever I say dialects, it means that the implementation of the SQL differ when it comes to various database products. So we need some sort of tool or helping hand to convert the SQL queries meant for one database product to the SQL queries of the other database products. So let us try to understand how this SQLine online query converter tool can help us. So this SQLines online query converter tool is going to be very useful. So just go here and type SQLines, and then it says data analytics and platform migration SQLines open source tools. So the spelling of SQLines is SQLINES, and the website for it is sqlines.com. So just click here, and this is the web page of SQLines. This is the home page. You can just directly go to the convert online, or you can even have a tour of the website. The website has got very good tools for database migration, and there are so many articles that are going to be very interesting for the people who are working with the databases, who are like career DBAs and they are working on multiple databases at the same time. So you can just go to this option convert online, click here, and here this is the tab for the source query, and this is the target query. Okay, and you can choose the source database like this, and you can choose the target database like this. So try to understand that there are so many source databases and target databases, and this online tool supports the combination of all of these tools. So let us go ahead and type a query which has got a product specific feature. So NVL is a function which happens to be product specific. So just type select NVL of column 1, 0 from employees. So let us try to convert this query from Oracle to PostgreSQL. And as you can see, select queries column 1, 0 from employees is the output query. So the same functionality of the functionality of NVL has been implemented into queries function of PostgreSQL. So now here we are converting the queries of one database into the queries of another database without having even sufficient knowledge about the SQL syntax of the other database. Try to understand that the SQL, mostly 80 to 90% of the SQL is definitely going to be same across the implementations in the world of RDBMS, relational database management systems. But when it comes to the product specific features, like how it handles the nullability, okay, or how it handles the null values, or what function names are, then it could be different. So the tools like SQLine's online query converter help us to overcome these differences and flawlessly convert the queries of one database into the queries of another relational database. So let us try to understand how the query will look like in IBM DB2. Just go ahead and select IBM DB2 and click convert. And for IBM DB2, the answer is the same. That is NVL of column 1, comma 0. So if you are going to change it to MariaDB, let us see what is that. Yeah, so MariaDB uses if null function in order to handle the null values and to substitute the null values with the user defined value. Similarly, Microsoft SQL Server must be using some other function. Yes, so in place of if null, it is using isNull function. So the functionality of all these functions, isNull, if null, callis, and NVL is almost similar, and the query in this Oracle will be translated into the SQL of Microsoft SQL Server like this. So this is how we can conveniently convert the queries of SQL queries of one RDBMS product into SQL queries of another RDBMS platform. So I hope that this tutorial was useful to all the people who are extensively working in databases and database migration projects, or even if you are working with a very big project where there are multiple databases which you are using, then you can just use the query if you want to replicate the database hosted in one database product to database hosted in another database products. So thanks a lot for watching this video lecture. I hope that you liked this lecture and you found it useful. So let me know if you have any queries. See you in the next lecture.